Alright guys, sorry there wasn't much video last night, or any video. I had a girlfriend down. Don't think she's too fond of the camera, but here's the status we're in. There's an old piece there. Looking around for this new one. Alright, and then we got some other stuff going on, bezels. Kinda just decided to destroy the old stuff, so I'll tune you guys in a bit. Alright, sorry guys, sorry about that. I meant to finish video already. Fix, but well, my girlfriend decided to come by again, and she's not camera shy. She's not camera friendly. She's camera shy. So let me show you what I did. Ta-da! I don't drop the camera again. Now, I put new clear lenses here. New turn signals. I think I still gotta adjust them a little bit. They're not just right. The black bezel, black grill. Kept the emblem off the old grill, which is over there. Same to this side. You gotta adjust them some more, and then should be good to go. But let's do I guess we can call this an old start, cold start, I guess. Been sitting for 2 days. It's about a day or two now. So if you can manage to find this stuff, delicious. Alright. Grab my keys here. Stay right up. Now we'll pull it out. There's that focus, that's gotta come back in soon. So, alright. See y'all later. Alright guys, it's been a few days since I did the work. Yeah, a couple days. But here's what it looks like now. New headlights, new turn signal, grill, bezels. Filler piece there is brand new, painted by me. So, springtime, that's gonna change. So, I'll get this video up soon, hopefully. So, see y'all later.